Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey, Kylie, how's it going?
Oh, hey, Jordan. I'm doing pretty good, thanks. Just finished my coffee. How about you?
I'm great. I was just walking around the neighborhood this morning, and it got me thinking about something.
Oh, yeah? What were you thinking about?
Well, I kept using the word around like 100 times. I was walking around, looking around, and I realized we use that word so much in English,
Oh my gosh, you're so right. We do. I never really thought about it before, but yeah, around is everywhere.
right? So I thought maybe we should talk about it today, help people understand how we really use it in everyday conversation.
I love that idea because it's one of those words that has so many different meanings. It can be confusing for beginners.
Exactly. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Jordan. I'm from California, and I've been teaching English online for about 3 years now.
Nice. And I'm Kylie. I'm from Texas, and I love helping people learn English in a fun, relaxed way. I think learning should feel natural, not stressful.
Totally agree. Okay, so around. Where should we even start?
I know, right? There's so much to say. Maybe we can start with the most basic meaning, like when we talk about being around something physically.
Good idea. So the first way we use around is to talk about movement in a circle or near something. For example, I walked around the park.
Yeah, or like the kids are running around the house. It means they're moving in different directions, kind of all over the place.
Exactly. And we also say things like, there's a coffee shop around the corner. That means it's nearby, close to where you are.
Ooh, that's a good one. Around the corner is super common. Like if someone asks, "Where's the bathroom?" You might say, "Oh, it's just around the corner."
Yeah. And what's funny? Sometimes around the corner can also mean something is coming soon, like summer is just around the corner.
Oh, true. I didn't even think of that. So it's not always about a physical corner. It can be about time, too.
Right. English is tricky like that. Same phrase, different meanings depending on context.
Totally true. Okay, here's another way we use it. When we talk about time, like, I'll be there around 5 o'clock.
Yes, that's so common. Around in this case means approximately or about. You're not saying exactly 5 o'clock, maybe 4:55, maybe 5:05, somewhere close to 5.
Exactly. It's more relaxed. Like if I say, let's meet around noon, I mean around 12 o'clock, give or take a few minutes.
And people in the US, we use this all the time because we don't always like to be super exact. We like to keep things flexible.
So true. We're not always super punctual. Around 3 could mean 3:15.
Yeah, exactly. But it's also polite, right? It doesn't put pressure on the other person to be exactly on time.
For sure. Okay, here's another one. We say around when we're talking about being in a general area, like, I'll be around this weekend.
Ooh, good example. So that means you'll be available or you'll be nearby. You're not saying exactly where, but you're generally free.
Right. Or like, is anyone around? That means, is anyone here? Is anyone nearby?
Yes, I use that one a lot at home. Like if I need help with something, I'll yell, "Hey, is anyone around?"
Same. Or like, are you going to be around tomorrow? Meaning, will you be available to hang out or help with something?
Exactly. It's a very casual way to ask if someone is free. Now, here's one that I think is really interesting. We also use around to talk about avoiding something.
Oh, yeah. Like, stop beating around the bush.
Yes, that's a perfect idiom. Beating around the bush means you're avoiding the main point. You're talking about other things instead of being direct.
Right. So if someone keeps talking and talking but never says what they really mean, you might say, just say it. Stop beating around the bush.
Yeah, exactly. And we also say things like, he's been walking around the issue. That means he's avoiding it, not facing it directly.
Oh, that's a good one. Or like, she talks around the problem but never solves it.
Yes, talk around something. That's super common in conversations, especially in meetings or serious discussions.
Totally. Okay, here's another fun one. Hang around. Do you use that a lot?
Oh, yeah, all the time. Hang around means to spend time in a place casually without a specific purpose, like, we're just hanging around at home today.
Yeah, or like, let's hang around the mall for a bit. It means you're not in a hurry, you're just relaxing and maybe looking at stuff.
Exactly. It's very casual and relaxed. And we can also use it with people, like, I like to hang around with my friends on weekends.
Or he's always hanging around that coffee shop. Maybe he likes the vibe there, or maybe he likes someone who works there.
Oh, yeah, it could be. That's a good point. Context matters a lot with these phrases.
For sure. Okay, here's another fun one. Turn around. That's another big one.
Oh, yeah. Turn around means to physically turn your body or change direction. Like, turn around and look at this.
Right. Or if you're driving and you realize you're going the wrong way, you might say, we need to turn around.
Exactly. But we also use turn around in other ways. Like, the company turned around their situation. That means they improved things, they made a comeback.
Ooh, interesting. So it can mean a change in direction, but also a change in circumstances or results.
Yes, English loves to use the same words in different ways. Keeps things interesting.
Yeah, interesting and confusing. Okay, here's one I use a lot. Show someone around.
Oh, that's a great one. Show someone around means to give them a tour. Like if a new person joins your office, you might say, let me show you around.
Exactly. Or when you move to a new city and your friend says, I'll show you around the neighborhood.
Yeah, it's friendly and helpful. You're introducing them to the place, pointing out important spots.
I love that phrase. It sounds very welcoming. Like, welcome, let me show you around.
Definitely. Okay, here's another one that's super common. Mess around or fool around.
Oh, yeah. Those mean to play, to not be serious, to joke around. Like, stop messing around and do your homework.
Yes, parents say that all the time. Stop fooling around. It means stop playing and focus.
Right. But it can also just mean having fun in a relaxed way. Like, we were just messing around at the beach. That sounds positive, like you were having a good time.
Exactly. Context again. Sometimes it's negative, like stop wasting time, and sometimes it's positive, like having fun.
Yup. Okay, what about get around? That one has a few meanings too.
Oh, for sure. So, get around means to travel or move from place to place. Like, I get around the city by bike.
Yeah, or she really gets around. That usually means she travels a lot. She's been to many places.
Right. But get around can also mean to avoid something, like he always finds a way to get around the rules.
Ooh, true. That means he finds loopholes or ways to avoid following the rules directly.
Exactly. Or she got around the problem by asking for help. She found a way to solve it or avoid it.
So many meanings. This is why English is tricky.
I know, but once you understand these patterns, it gets easier. Okay, here's another one that's super common. Come around.
Oh, I love this one. Come around means to visit someone, like come around anytime. That means feel free to visit me whenever.
Yeah. Or he came around last night. That means he visited. He stopped by.
But come around can also mean to change your opinion. Like, she didn't like the idea at first, but she came around.
Yes, that means she changed her mind. She started to agree or see it differently.
That's such a useful phrase. Like, don't worry, he'll come around eventually. Meaning, give him time, he'll change his opinion.
Not exactly. It shows patience and understanding. Okay, what about run around?
Ooh, that one's interesting. Literally, it means to run in different directions, like kids playing. The children are running around outside.
Right. But we also use it to mean being very busy, like I've been running around all day. That means I've been super busy going from place to place doing lots of things.
Yes, like, I'm so tired. I've been running around doing errands all morning.
Exactly. Errands, appointments, tasks, just busy, busy, busy.
And there's also run around in circles, which means to be busy but not actually getting anything done.
Oh, yeah. Like I've been working on this project all day, but I feel like I'm just running around in circles. That means you're not making progress.
I've felt like that before. It's frustrating when you're busy but not productive.
For sure. Okay, here's another phrase. Stick around.
Oh, I love this one. Stick around means to stay, to not leave. Like, stick around after the meeting. I want to talk to you.
Yeah, or stick around. The best part is coming. That means don't leave yet. Wait a little longer.
Exactly. It's informal and friendly. Like, hey, stick around for a bit. Let's chat.
I like that one. It makes people feel welcome. Okay, how about horse around?
That's a fun one. Horse around means to play roughly, to be silly and energetic. Like, the boys were horsing around in the yard.
Yeah, it's often used for kids or even adults being playful. Stop horsing around means stop being so wild and silly.
Yeah, like, calm down and be serious. But it's usually said in a lighthearted way.
Right, it's not really angry, more like, okay, fun time is over.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about look around.
Sure. So look around means to search visually, to observe your surroundings. Like, let's look around the store and see what they have.
Yeah, or look around before you cross the street. That's about safety, making sure no cars are coming.
Right. And we also use it in a more general sense, like, I'm just looking around. If you're in a store and an employee asks, can I help you? You might say, no thanks, I'm just looking around.
Yep, that means you're browsing. You're not looking for something specific.
Exactly. Okay, here's an interesting one. Every round.
Oh, yeah. Every round can mean in every direction or everywhere. Like there are trees every round the house.
Right. But we also use it to describe someone's overall qualities, like he's an all-around player. That means he's good at everything, not just one thing.
Yes, or she's an all-around nice person. That means she's nice in every way, in all situations.
Exactly. It's a compliment that covers everything about someone.
I like that. Okay, what about go around?
Go around can mean a few things. Like, let's go around the lake means to travel along the edge or perimeter.
Yeah, or the rumor is going around means it's spreading. People are talking about it.
Ooh, good one. There's a virus going around means lots of people are getting sick with it.
Right. Or there's not enough food to go around means there's not enough for everyone.
Yes, that's about distribution or sharing. We have enough cookies to go around means everyone can have one.
I like that example. Cookies.
Always a good topic. Okay, here's one more. Shop around.
Oh, that's practical. Shop around means to compare prices or options before buying. Like, don't buy the first thing you see, shop around first.
Exactly. It's smart to shop around, especially for big purchases like cars or furniture.
Yeah, you want to make sure you're getting the best deal. I'm going to shop around before I decide.
Nah, it's good advice. Okay, let's talk about one that's maybe a little more abstract. Revolve around.
Ooh, interesting. Revolve around means something is centered on or focused on something else. Like, his whole life revolves around his work.
Yes, that means his work is the most important thing. Everything else comes second.
Right. Or the conversation revolved around politics. That means politics was the main topic.
Exactly. It shows what the central focus is. You know, we've talked about so many uses of around today.
I know, right? And I feel like we could keep going. There are probably even more.
For sure, but I think we've covered the most common ones. The key thing is that around is super flexible. It can talk about physical location, time, movement, avoidance, and so much more.
Exactly. And the best way to really understand it is to hear it in context, in real conversations like this one.
Yeah, when you hear native speakers use it naturally, it starts to make sense. You pick up on the patterns.
For sure. And don't be afraid to use it. Even if you make a mistake, people will usually understand what you mean.
Absolutely. Making mistakes is part of learning. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
So true. You know what's funny? We use around so automatically that we don't even think about it.
Right? Until we try to explain it. Then we're like, wait, how do I describe this?
Exactly. It's like trying to explain why we say get up instead of just rise. English has so many of these little phrases that just exist.
Yeah, phrasal verbs are tough, but they're also what makes English sound natural and fluent.
Totally. If you can use these kinds of phrases comfortably, you sound much more like a native speaker.
Absolutely. Okay, so let me ask you this. What's your favorite way to use around?
That's a good question. I think I really like come around. Like, come around for coffee sometime.
That's a nice one. Very warm and inviting.
Yeah. What about you?
I think I'd say hang around. It's so casual and relaxed. Like, let's just hang around and see what happens.
That's very you. You like to keep things flexible and easygoing.
Guilty. I don't like too much structure.
Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so before we wrap up, let's give our viewers some final tips about using around.
Good idea. So, tip number 1. Pay attention to context. Around can mean different things depending on the situation.
Yes. Tip number 2, listen to how native speakers use it. Watch movies, TV shows, listen to podcasts. You'll hear around all the time.
Tip number 3. Don't be afraid to practice. Try using these phrases in your own conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel.
And tip number 4, be patient with yourself. It takes time to really master these kinds of words and phrases.
Exactly. Learning a language is a journey, not a race.
Well said. Okay, I think that's a pretty good place to end.
Agreed. So, to sum up, around is one of the most common and useful words in English. It has many meanings and uses, but once you understand the patterns, it gets easier.
Yep. And remember, the best way to learn is by listening and practicing. Don't just memorize definitions. Use the word in real situations.
Absolutely. And don't worry if it feels confusing at first. That's totally normal.
Even native speakers sometimes pause and think, wait, how do I explain that?
So true. Okay, well, thanks for hanging around today, everyone.
Nice use of around there.
I couldn't resist. But seriously, we hope this conversation helped you understand around better.
Yeah. If you have questions or want us to talk about other tricky words, let us know in the comments.
For sure, we love hearing from you guys. And remember, learning English should be fun, not stressful.
Exactly. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Well said. All right, Kylie, this was fun. Let's hang around and do another video soon.
Definitely. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, keep learning, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.